Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove reposts from your account on Instagram feeds, easy and quick. First open feeds, and now let's go to our account, click here. Now select any post that you want, like this one, and now click remove. Now just wait a few seconds, and that's it. As you see, the reposts have been removed, and you can repost it. You can repost it again whenever you want. Just go back to the post and click repost, and that's it. I hope that is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.